In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a transparent video inside Premiere. So as you can see, I have a Premiere Pro project open here. I have this graphic that's over my video clip. Let's say if I just wanted to export my lower third graphic separate from my video clip, I can easily do that by hiding my other video layers. I can also mute my audio layers. And to know that we are actually including transparency in this, we can always go to the wrench icon and go to Transparency Grid. This will display a grid underneath your video. That way you know it is see-through. So if you don't see this, if it's black when you do that, then you know you have a black background and you won't be able to export your video with transparency. So be sure to check it. But once we have our clip here, what we can do is go to the beginning of our clip, click I on our keyboard to set an out point, go to the last frame of our clip and click O on our keyboard to set an out point. With our in-point and out-point selection made, we can easily go out to the Export tab at the top left. From the format, choose QuickTime from your options and choose under Video Codec instead of Apple ProRes Animation. This is more of a universal file format, and when we scroll down, you can change the depth from 8 to 8 BPC plus alpha, and this will retain the alpha channel. You can choose what to name it up above and where to save it, and just make sure your range is set to source in and out instead of entire sequence. That way it just uses the in and out markers that we've made. You can easily click export your video. And just to show you, if I click and drag this video back in here and we click and drag it to a new sequence, as you can see, we've exported and re-imported this clip that has transparency in it. Now, if you're new to Premiere Pro and are looking to learn the software from start to finish, I did want to mention that I have a new online course to learn the software through and through. It has over 6 hours of on-demand training videos that you can use to really level up your video editing. So if you're interested, be sure to check the link down below. Or if you are interested, feel free to click on this video up here to learn more about the online course.